Anchovy diaper.
What is that?
I don't fucking know.
What's in the bottle?
JK's in the bottle.
Let me see it. Do you know how bad that's gonna make this thing smell? Smell it one more time. Smell the bottle. Smell the bottle.
You smell the bottle.
Smell the bottle.
Smell the sink.
Just smell the bottle.
Oh. Oh my god. Oh. Oh. Oh, underage. It smells underage. Smell it. Smell it. Smell it. Smell it.
Don't get it on me.